besides from the intelligence fund na kailangang i-increase sa Philippine Coast Guard, that we also require our capital outlay, no? For the Philippine Coast Guard to develop its infrastructure capability and also to acquire real estate to sustain our operations in different parts of the country.
You mentioned yung Intel Fund, no? Siyempre, logically, kahit pagbalik-balik rin natin, you deserve to have an intelligence fund. Magkano po ba yung Intel Fund nyo dito sa current budget natin and magkano yung hinihingi nyo for 2024?
Ang intelligence fund ng Philippine Coast Guard, Sir Christian, since 2006 to 2023 has a total amount of 117 million pesos.
117?
117.
A year?
For 17 years.
Wait, hindi siya 1 year?
From 2006 to 2023.
Taga lang, take 2 or take 3. Baka mali lang yung dinig ko, no? Combined Intel Fund ng Philippine Coast Guard from 2006 until 2023, this year, 117 lang?
117 million.
Bakit?
Hindi ko alam, sir. For this year, ang intelligence fund natin is only 10 million pesos. Since 2012.
Bakit?
So 10 million lang tayo.
Nagre-request ba kayo? O hindi lang kayo binibigyan ng dagdag?
As a matter of fact, aware ako na last year we also requested for an increase of intelligence fund. However, the amount that was only approved for the Coast Guard for this year, for 2023, was only 10 million pesos. But sabi ko nga, Sir Christian, no, to be fair with our Senate President and Speaker of the House, sa 2024 budget, we can expect a massive increase ng Coast Guard Intelligence Fund.
May mga gusto akong sabihin pero read my face. No. Mamaya ako na sasabihin. I don't want to put you on the spot, no. Pero I guess you have an idea. Kasi kung pinag-uusapan natin yung confidential intel funds, definitely dapat meron ng Coast Guard, Philippine National Police, NBI, diba yung mga law enforcement agencies. Pero bakit naman ganon? Kuya, 117 million from 2006 to 2023. Magkano na request nyo for 2024? Intel funds?
Hindi ko na i-disclose, Sir Christian. No? Tingin ko naman, pag na-finalize na yung budget, ilalabas din naman nila.
Yung iba nga, proud na proud i-disclose eh. Diba? Office of the Vice President, 500 million yung request. Department of Education, headed by the Vice President, 150. Department of Agriculture, headed by the President, 50 million. Diba? For the first time, I think, magre-request ng Intel Fund, confidential fund. Okay, mahiya kasi kailangan nyo yan. Diba? Anyway, can you give us an idea bakit importante intelligence fund sa Philippine Coast Guard? Kumbaga, saan siya ginagamit?
Well, magandang question mo, Sir Christian. No? Meron kasi akong nabasang tweet. No? Instead of supporting the Coast Guard's request for an increase of intelligence fund, criticize pa kami kasi wala naman daw talaga kaming paggagamitan noon. That's why we just deserve 10 million pesos sa aming intelligence fund. No? But ang unang dahilan natin dito, usually, nakikita lang nila ang function ng Coast Guard sa West Philippine Sea. No? Parang yan lang talaga ang sukatan ng mga kritiko natin kung paano daw natin magagamit ang increased na pondo pagdating sa intelligence fund. But it is also very important for me to take this opportunity, Sir Christian. Ang Philippine Coast Guard has 3 core functions. No? The first one is maritime safety. Ito yung dahilan kung bakit ang Coast Guard nasisisi every time na lumulubog. Kasi meron daw kaming mandate ng mag-conduct ng inspection ng seaworthiness ng mga barko na nire-register dito sa Pilipinas. No? And of course, the lighthouses. Coast Guard din ang nagmi-maintain ng mga lighthouses natin na to. So anything that has something to do with maritime safety, function ng Coast Guard yan. No? And then the second one is marine environmental protection. The oil spill, the inspection nitong mga bulk plant terminals, ng mga barko, kung compliant sila sa international conventions for oil regulation, kasama rito sa mandate ng Coast Guard. And then third one is maritime security and law enforcement. No? Ito naman, ang Coast Guard has a lot of added functions, no, in terms of law enforcement. Halimbawa, natap tayo ng DNR for illegal logging, for the customs, for anti-smuggling. Kumbaga, lahat ng crimes, no, na tinatap tayo ng mga concerned government agencies. Kasama ang Coast Guard dyan kasi dahil we're an archipelagic country, we believe na itong mga illegal crimes na to, maaaring gumamit ng barko as they commit the particular crime, no? So Coast Guard is also performing the same thing. So with these three core mandates ng Philippine Coast Guard, hindi ko pa binabanggit dyan, sir, ang West Philippine Sea. You can just imagine how it is important for the Philippine Coast Guard to use intelligence fund to gain access to intelligence support in the performance of those three core functions that we have. Secondly, we need also capability to acquire something, whether it's a device or any other gadgets that would support the capability of the Philippine Coast Guard na hindi na kailangan pang dumaan sa bidding process or any audit regulation. So we can do this all night, Sir Christian, no, to explain how important the intelligence fund for the Philippine Coast Guard. Pero again, if the Congress would still believe na hindi natin kailangan ng intelligence fund na to, ang Philippine Coast Guard, as I said, Sir Christian, from 2006 to 2023, we never failed to still perform our mandates. Kung sa paningin ng ating mga mambabatas ay kailangan ng hindi namin kailangan ng mas malaking pondo, atin pong irerespeto ito, and we're still not going to provide the services na kulang para sa mga Pilipino.
Alam nyo, Commodore, buti napaka-professional nyo, no? And kudos to you for that. Pero as a taxpayer, as Filipinos, yung mga nanonood dito, I'm sure they also share this sentiment, no? Hindi naman dapat nino-normalize at niro-romanticize yung kakarampot na pondo for intelligence fund na binibigay sa Philippine Coast Guard. Kasi ang argument dyan is, okay, nagagawa nyo talaga yung trabaho nyo, pinagkakasya nyo yun. Pero imagine what else you could have done given the right resources, in particular dito sa intelligence fund. Yun lang po yung point ko.
Thank you, Sir Christian.
Alam ko na, syempre, you're not at liberty to, pero nga, syempre, kumbaga nakakadismaya, no? Kasi nga, we have so many funds floating around. No? Nakikita niyan, di ba? Lalo budget season. And sana mabigyan ng although at least, alam nyo, sinabi nyo, may commitment na yung leaders ng both chambers of Congress na tataasan kayo.
Yes, sir.
Teka, natapos na po bang isa lang yung budget nyo sa House of Representatives?
Yes, sir. Bukas, sir, sa Senado naman, ang ating commandant will be joining the Secretary of Transportation dahil under kami, sir, ng DOTR.